This is an English wall clock. It's a timepiece with a fusee movement, and it is in a carved oak case. Walkington of Bridlington. It's got a 10-inch dial with Roman numerals and steel hands. It's nicely carved all over, and it's in excellent condition. It's like a gallery clock with this bracket underneath it. It has a door on the side for accessing the movement, and a door underneath it for accessing the pendulum. The movement's a standard English fusee timepiece movement. There's the pendulum for it as well. It has a chain and 4 pillars. There's the fusee and the escape wheel and the fusee stopwork. The case is completely original. It's pretty well untouched, I would think. It's complete with its steel winding key, pendulum, 4 pegs for the side holding the dial to the case, and a key for the bottom door. This clock is for sale. You can find it on our website, which is ianburton.com. You will also find other quality antique clocks there for sale. The clock is ready to be shipped. We ship worldwide and we deliver throughout the UK.